talk about brainstorming. So we're going to start by talking about the multiple intelligences that are most benefited by brainstorming. So first, there's the linguistic learners who learn through the use of words, both written and spoken. And obviously, brainstorming requires you to either speak an idea or a word or write it down. So linguistic learners really do well with brainstorming. And then spatial learners also benefit from brainstorming because they are kind of visual learners, and oftentimes brainstorming involves some sort of graphic organizer, and so spatial learners can also benefit from brainstorming. So then we're going to talk about background information. Alex Osborne was the one who kind of coined the phrase brainstorming. His original phrase that he used was using the brain to storm a creative problem, which eventually turned into brainstorming. Alex Osborne was the CEO of a company, and he noticed that his meetings did not allow for creative thinking and problem solving, and so he created a set of rules or guidelines to allow creative thinking and kind of helping people get their ideas out there. And that's where the brainstorming came from. So brainstorming just allows creativity without worrying about the consequences or whether or not an idea is going to work out. And now we will talk about the benefits. So there are benefits for both the students and the teachers. Students are able to deepen their understanding of a topic through brainstorming. It can be done in groups or independently, and collaboration gives the students kind of they benefit socially and learn how to problem solve with other people, which is an important skill outside of the classroom as well as inside of the classroom. And so they learn a lot through collaboration, but they can also do this independently and kind of problem solve on their own and come up with new ideas and be creative, which is really good. And then for teachers, they benefit from students learning from each other instead of the teacher having to lecture the whole time. But kind of outside of the classroom when the teacher's planning and that kind of thing, brainstorming is very helpful for creating new lessons that are fun and creative and kind of thinking outside of the box. Brainstorming is very helpful for that. And obviously collaboration, again, teachers working together, bouncing ideas off each other, just kind of gets those creative juices flowing and new ideas out there. So brainstorming is a strategy for planning lessons, but it is also something that can be used within a lesson. And then Cassie will take it from here.